In last video we have learnt about banking and the different types of banks account. Now in this video we will discuss about the other banking services like bank overdraft, banker's check, bank draft, also about the e-banking, e-cash credit, NEFT, that is National Electronic Fund Transfer, and real time gross settlement, RTGS. So let us discuss one by one. The first is bank draft. A bank draft is an instrument issued by bank for transfer of specified fund to specified individual or a company payable at another branch or another bank at a specified place. It is safer than a check as it can be only withdrawn by the person whose name is written on the draft. So we can say that it is a kind of check which is written by the bank on behalf of its customers. For this, bank either accepts cash or withdraws money from his account and issue a draft, a bank draft. The amount payable is written on this draft and the name of the individual or company to whom the amount is payable will be specified on the draft. This is a safer mode of transferring the amount from one person to another because this amount will only be withdrawn by the person whose name is written on the draft. The next is banker's check, or it is also said as pay order. Pay order is an instrument issued by the bank for transfer of a specified fund to a specified individual or a company at another branch or another bank within the same city. So banker check or pay order also have the same characteristic as bank draft, but the difference here is that banker's check or pay order will only be paid to the bank or the branch within that city, whereas bank draft can be paid to the banks or branches out of that city. So we remember this has the same feature as bank draft. Bank pay has bank order has the same features, but the difference is that this will only be acceptable within the same city. It is RTGS, that is real time gross settlement. This is a method of transferring a fund from one account to another account. This method is electronic mode, means a transfer is processed in digital form from one account to another account. This system is controlled and monitored by Reserve Bank of India. Reserve Bank has given a special kind of a unique kind of code that is known as IFSC number, that is Indian Financial System Code. These codes allow the banks to participate in RTGS payments. RTGS is processed on real-time gross basis method. When we are saying real-time, means the transactions is processed as soon as the instruction is received. And when we say gross basis means transactions are processed one by one, on not without bunching the transactions. And that's why it is the fastest mode of transferring the fund from one account to another account. Next is National Electronic Fund Transfer, that is known as NEFT. Again, NEFT is also an electronic mode of transferring funds from one account to another account. But this fund transfer allows the bank or the sender to transfer any amount from one account to another. There is no minimum restrictions of transferring the fund, whereas RTGS has the minimum restrictions of rupees 2 lakh, that minimum amount should be at least 2 lakh for doing the RTGS. But in National Electronic Fund Transfer, NEFT, there is no such restrictions of minimum amount of transfer. This is also the fast mode of transferring the fund from one account to another account, and basically this process also requires IFC codes, that is Indian Financial System Code, through which the bank processes the fund transfer from one bank to another bank. This system takes the processing time of 24 hours, means the beneficiary will be able to receive the amount within 24 hours of the fund transfer. So both the system, that is RTGS and NEFT, are the electronic mode of transferring the funds from one account to another account. Next is bank overdraft. So bank overdraft is a facility which is provided to the current account holders. This is a facility, a kind of credit which a bank is giving to the current account holders, and in this facility it allows the current account holder to withdraw the amount more than its balance available in the current account. This facility is provided to those consumers who has certain kind of security in the bank, says some kind of fixed deposits or other securities, on the basis of which bank allows the depositor to withdraw the money as a credit, as a short-term credit of over withdrawal of balance. Means suppose if the current account, for example, if the current account is currently having the balance of 5 lakh, and if the current account holders draw a check for more than 5 lakhs, if the current account holder has been given the facility of bank overdraft, he may be able to draw the check, and his check will be honored for more than the balance available in the current account. But that is up to the limit where the bank has, which the bank has allowed to the current account holder. Next is cash credit. Cash credit is also a short-term loan sanctioned by the bank against security of property or current assets like debtors or stock. Again, this facility is provided to those customers only who have good financial records, and on the credit worthiness of the account holder, the bank provides this facility, that is cash credit facility, to the holders.